Hi guys! Today we will be looking at these words. Have you ever felt confused when reading these words? Well, don't worry. I am here to help you. Okay, now let us write the word quit. Q U I T. Quit. Q I T. Quit. Now, let us write the word quite. Q I T. Quite. Q I T. The E is silent. Quite. Now, let us write the word quiet. Quiet. Q I yet. Q I yet. Quiet. All right, let's go through them again. So you have E, short I, T, quit. You have ight, silent E, quite. Long I. You have I, long I, at. It's like you're hearing a at sound here. I, yet, quiet. Now, let's read the words. Quit, quite, quiet. Now, we will look at the part of speech for each word, the meanings, and then after we will look at some sentences. Quit is a verb. To stop doing something, to leave a job or place. Quite and adverb. Used for emphasis. Quiet and adjective. When there is little or no noise. I will quit my job today. It was quite the worst lunch I have ever had. My students were quiet today. Now, can you read the words? What about this word? Great. Quit. Now, what about this one? Quite. Great job. And this one? Amazing. Quiet. Thank you very much, everyone. I really hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with reading. You will also find videos to help you with grammar. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.